Hey, so right now we are looking at the odd USD. We are looking at the odd USD without wasting no time. Let me get you guys into the breakdown, but fast is fast. If you miss any part of this video here, it's going to be the reason as why you're not profitable. It's going to be the reason as why you're on losing streaks. It's going to be the reason as why you're stuck in the rat race. So make sure you subscribe in. Make sure you don't skip any part of this video here so to get the best possible content and go on these massive winning streaks as I have been doing, guys. You've seen what I've been doing all throughout this past week, and I've been on fire as you've seen all the evidence. I've flipped accounts from 68 to 5, and I've done it over and over and over and over again, as y'all have seen in all these previous videos. So if you haven't seen the previous season, make sure you watch all of them, and you have my permission to watch this video again. So let's go down to the breakdown. Going into the daily time frame, I want to start from here so they can get the directional bias from here. So right now, this price is running to the upside there. This price leg is going to the upside, but recently we had this downtrend here. Price was making lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs. So listen to this. Pay this. Lower low, lower high. This is the most important key level in a downtrend. So when price comes back here, wait to enter your buy trades. Do not rush, because this is technically still a downtrend. Even if this price leg is still the upside, this is the last lower high in the market. So we need price to come and consolidate here, and it may take a week. So when price switches up here, do not trade for that whole week. Wait for it to consolidate, manipulate, do whatever it wants. It may spike upward, then it will close down below. After that, that's when you shall take your sell trades. Or if price breaks out here, do not rush, because that may be a manipulation move. If you can implement every single thing correctly that I'm gonna show you, yeah, I think you'll be profitable. I think you'll be laughing all the way to the bank at the end of the week. You know what I mean? But again, I have to warn you guys. If you skip any part of this video here, if you skip any concept, if you don't use any concept, that will be the reason as to why you're not profitable. It will be the reason as to why you're stuck. It will be the reason as to why you're not growing, my G. I ain't gonna lie, my G. So if you want to be consistent in the markets, if you want to make profits, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you're watching the video till the end. In addition to that, I have a free Telegram channel, my G. And make sure you go and follow me on Instagram, G. You know what I mean? Go follow me on Instagram. It's a free strategy, simple and easy Forex strategies. 100% winning Forex strategies. 100%. I always been the best. Do not rush what you want to do, because it may do something of this. It will obviously come. These are days, man. These are weeks. This is a whole full week. Then this what we will do, manipulation, then come back down. So you want to be patient when price reaches this level here. So if price breaks, wait for it to break and move. Let it leave for some time, come back for retest. When it retest, give you a signal, then you enter. But as for now, we are focused on this price leg here, because as we all know, it is going till there. That's the major key level in a downtrend. So we had this consolidation here for weeks. We break the consolidation, we break, we retest. Then we have the momentum candle. Enter my first trade here, and the second trade after the break of this high, the retest, and the momentum candle. So let me take you to the 4-hour time frame, because that's where we do all our analysis from. So when price broke, this is what I always tell you guys. When price breaks, you want to wait for it to break out, leave, come back for retest. It needs to come back strong. When it comes back, gives you the momentum candles. After that, you want to see an indecision candle. An indecision candle like this one here. Yeah. Or this one. Or this one. Or this one. Then you want price to create a level. Then come back, respect that level. You feel me? Let price create a level. Move. A little bit, come back. Respect that level. Either this one or the other, doesn't matter. But you just respect it at least once. Right? So you've confirmed that you already have momentum into it. You have indecision candles. You have weak rejection. They need a momentum candle to your direction. That's when you confirm that this trade is actually profitable. When you have a momentum candle to your direction, if you don't have that, do not enter, do not risk, do not waste your time. And shortly I'll be telling you how you tally the 1 hour time from the 15 minutes time frame to this 4 hour time frame strategy. This is as simple as it gets. This is the best strategy out there. Simple, easy, make your millions in 2023. So when market did this, I knew that market is consolidating here for a very long time. So there's going to be a rally either to the upside or to the downside. But after all this evidence here, it's more likely that it's going to the upside, because always all market price moves start from a consolidation. We all know that. All ICT students, we all know that. So when this happened, I was like, all right, I'm going to put my buy stop right above this small candle here, and I put it just above this one here, so that if the market, when there's momentum in the market, I'll be on the right side of the market. That's why you need to use buy stops and sell stops. Stop entering using instant execution or market execution, something of that sort. So I enter my trades right there, as I've seen from all the screenshots, all the past videos I've been showing you the highlights. I entered right there. Market just walled into profits. We broke this old high. Price left. It created a level. Respected that level. When market respected this level, when I sold this, this was not a good momentum candle. I was like, first leave is the first red candle after the first blue candle after this red candle. So I wasn't convinced. Price left, came back. I was like, all right, if the price decides to go up, and I entered this trade around the London session, like 2 hours past the London session, I put my buy stop above, put my stop loss below here. Mind that I had more other trades that were from this previous trade here, positions that were from that previous trade. So put my buy stop right above there, my stop loss below this low here, but was somewhere here. Put them there, and then I waited for take profit. As you've yearly I've seen from the screenshots, from the video highlights, I was in deep profits, $150 odd USD, GBP USD. Yeah. And I've showed you guys my history. I make losses, I make profits. You've seen my history. I'm 100% honest. And that being said, you should consider to subscribe. Because if you're watching this and not subscribe, what are you doing, man? Come on. Yeah, I put a lot of work into this. So if you're not subscribed, you better off just clicking off and going to another video, because, man, it takes a lot of time and research to actually make these videos for you guys and actually upload them. So make sure you subscribe, like the video, and share it. So let's go. So price rallies, consolidates for a little bit, because that was I think that I think it was this was at night. Why it's midday right now. So that means that actually, it's London session now. We're in the London session actually. 1 hour and a half to the London session. So this was the Asian session here. That's why we have a consolidation there. So price has rallied, right? So pay this. This is the break and retest level. So you may ask, why haven't I taken this higher? Because it's a manipulation, right? Look at this. This is a breakout, break back in. That is the same as a week. That's the same as a week on the higher time frames, on the 8 hour time frame or the 6 hour time frame. You will see it as a week. Yeah. So on the 4 hour time frame, breakout, break back in. So isn't that great? But if you want to take a trade in the New York session, that's what you do. So price has broken above. You wait for it to retest. Yeah. Here. Move. Come back. Let it get retest. Create a level. Move. Come back. Respect that level and take that trade. That will be late into the New York session. To be late into the New York session. So I promise you guys that this is what you do. On the 4 hour time frame, you look for structure, then you look for momentum into structure, decision candles, weak rejection, then momentum outside structure. Then on the 1 hour time frame, that's when you look for price to create a level and respect that level. Price create a level, respect a level, enter your trade. stop loss below the previous structure, and you're going into profit. That's what you look for on the 1 hour time frame. On the 30 minutes time frame or the 15 minutes time frame, this is what you look for. You look for change in behavior or change in trend, right? So when this price came here, this was a downtrend, right? So you don't want to be entering anywhere around there. You want price to break out, leave, come back for a retest. So if you're there at this time, you would have caught this sniper entry down here. Sniper entry, small stop loss, and boom, you're already in profit. Yeah. Easy work, easy work. So it's like a change in what? A change in trend, because pay this. This was going down, right? We have that break, we have that retest. It only shows that this is going to go in a different direction. So we're looking for patterns here, and my best pattern is change in trend. Even if in an uptrend in a higher time frame, this was like a downtrend here and a lower time frame. You have to respect trends. You feel me? So that's the first pattern. The second pattern is double tops and double bottoms, or triple tops and triple bottoms. Here we have the first bottom, the second, and the third. So we'd have entered either on the second or on the third too. Yeah, and don't be afraid. These manipulation moves will happen. I think this was some news. This was some news here. So if you're unlucky and you entered here, it is what it is. It took you out, but you just have to be disciplined to your strategy. I'm giving out gems here, so may I consider subscribe down below. So that's what you look for, patterns. And whatever patterns you look for, just make sure you don't have more than three maximum, because if you have more than that, you just end up in the confusion, the pool of confusion. So yeah, let's go.